Hello everyone. Today I want to show you some sources that might help you in your HTTP research. You will find a collection of pcaps, papers, blog lists, blacklist, and yeah, this is a good set to help you forward, I hope. I have collected the resources on this page. You can find it in the menu if you go to malware research, and there you will find HTTP malware, download papers and files. And yeah, you have the papers, you have some pcaps, and I will make sure to add more and more here. You got some communities that you can use. For example, VirusTotal, OTX Alien Fault, and IBM X-Force. They share information about IP addresses, host names, they share their reputation, people leave comments about what they might be, and yeah, it should help you forward. Then we of course also have the blacklist. Yeah, a big collection here. These are all public, and yeah, this should help you forward. So always remember that when you are researching HTTP malware, that you do your best to understand what is happening. That is the most important part. So don't just stare blindly on the structure. See if there are more signals which can help you to identify the HTTP malware connection. Of course, the landscape is also moving. We are seeing more connections that actually use a secure line. They utilize HTTPS, and I'm certain that there are also ways to identify malware which uses that protocol without performing a deep packet inspection. It is tricky, but there are ways, and I will also make sure to keep this page updated, and I will also add some resources which will give you some information on that. Yeah, visit the website, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and leave a comment if you need some other type of information. And I will try to make sure that it lands on this page. So yeah, enjoy, and good luck with your research.